NASA's sun-observing spacecraft has captured colorful images of the moment the Earth blocked its view of the sun. In a short animation posted on Tuesday, the Solar Dynamics Observatory's (SDO) view of a purple-colored sun is interrupted as Earth completely covers its surface. The sun isn't actually purple, but it looks that color because the images were taken in a wavelength of extreme ultraviolet light. This kind of ultraviolet light is a type that's usually invisible to the human eye, so NASA noted that it's been colorized in purple. Stunning footage from NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captures when the Earth completely covers its view of the sun. The sun appears purple because the images were taken in a wavelength of extreme ultraviolet light that's been colorized. The event marks the beginning of the SDO's eclipse season, which is a 3-week period that comes twice a year near the equinoxes. When this happens, the Earth blocks the SDO's view of the sun for a short moment each day, NASA said. The eclipses are fairly short near the beginning and end of the season, but ramp up to 72 minutes in the middle, the agency explained. The SDO's orbit is designed to maximize the amount of data the spacecraft can send back to Earth, but twice a year Earth gets in the way of the spacecraft's view, they added. The Solar Dynamics Observatory keeps a constant eye on the sun, studying its atmosphere and effects on the near-Earth environment. The satellite has been monitoring the sun since 2010 and has captured some fascinating footage since then. In 2015, the SDO captured its 100 millionth image of the sun, according to CNET. NASA noted that the spring eclipse season began on February 10 with a partial eclipse and ends on March 5. People who live in Chile or Argentina will be able to view a total solar eclipse in 2019, but the next time we'll be able to see one in North America won't be until 2024. The next total solar eclipse after that will place at August 12, 2026, and will be seen from the Arctic, Greenland, Iceland, Spain, and northeastern Portugal. On September 2, 2035, a large number of people in China, northern Japan and Korea will witness a total solar eclipse. Between 2023 and 2038, the greatest number of total solar eclipses will take place in Australia. There will be 5 solar eclipses visible from the continent between April 20, 2023 and December 26, 2038. A partial solar eclipse will be visible in Antarctica and some parts of South America on Thursday, but it's not as noticeable as a total solar eclipse. Solar eclipses could start to appear different in our lifetime if new research from the University of California, San Diego proves true. The scientists were able to track when the next solar minimum will arrive by analyzing the sun's 11-year cycle, where it experiences active and quiet periods known as the solar maximum and solar minimum. They're calling the next cold period a grand minimum, during which conditions could echo those experienced in Europe in the mid-17th century. The sun may become much dimmer than is usually experienced during a solar minimum. In a solar minimum, the sun's magnetism diminishes, fewer sunspots form and less ultraviolet radiation makes it to the surface of the planet. As a result, the sun's surface is clearer, and it becomes dimmer. When a solar minimum occurs, it doesn't mean that the sun will become dull, it just means its surface activity changes.